Alam na alam yung mga posing dito. Para iba yung suot mo kanina. Bago ka pa ng top?
Ay, Maui. Maui.
Right, logging in. Ito yung raffle sa Xiaomi party namin. We just receiving. Check it out, yo. Raffle. Ganda nito, meron ako niyan. Ay. Hello. May, eco ba ito? Electric fan. Ay, gusto ko to, air fryer, weighing scale. Ano to? Power bank. Ano to? Scent diffuser. Speaker. Earbuds. Coffee maker. Ano to? Ilaw, lamp. Dami ah. So, I guess ilaw. Uy, grabe. May TV dun sa likod do. Dalawa. Okay, good luck. Good luck sa mananalo sa raffle at may malaking electric fan dito. So ayun, I guess wala akong nakikitang phones, no? Baka Philippine phones ano sa baba. So ayan, good luck. Xiaomi Block Party. Check it out, y'all.
Thank you. So thank you very much to all our media friends for all your support since the beginning. We are very grateful na kasama namin kayo start of the year hanggang ngayon. Reviewing our products. Maraming salamat for all your participation in every way. Attending our activity or yung mga lalaking launches natin kasama namin kayo. So hopefully next year magkakasama pa rin tayo. We are very excited kasi this year we've made a lot of like great achievements in terms of the business. Para sa inyo po ito, una ba kami? Una kami kasi on a personal note, maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. Thank you.
1, go! Back to the starting line. Kailangan po na yung starting line. Team Xiaomi was taking the lead. Early lead. Closing the gap. Marketing head. Xiaomi marketing head for a quick photo op.
Yeah! Disinfect yun. Disinfect na. Oy, magkano yung price mo? Power bank!
Alright, on to our next prize. 5W 10 winners of the Xiaomi Sound Pocket 5. Claudio.
Hey!
Our next winner, Brian Brillo Raza. Our next winner.
Kinakabahan.
Pocket 5W. Can I ask all the winners to join us?
Wala na. Oh, 10 na yun.
10 winners of Red
Basta wag yun. Wag frontward.
Of Red Bud 6 active. Our first winner, Ryan San Juan.
Ano price mo?
Next winner, Neil Jimenez.
Speaker. Oh.
Game of the night.
Earbuds sa'yo ko. Bring me game prize.
Or Mary. Bring me someone engaged or
Merit ako. Congrats, Ian! Ay! Ian! Hindi na pala! Parang mali.
winners of the Xiaomi Electric Basket.
Dito, 5 dito. Kaya ako, okay na ako dito. Okay na.
Uy!
Oyo! Pwede magprito dyan? Di ba pwede magprito dyan? Air fryer? Oh, pwede. Air fryer yan? Air fryer? Uy, grabe. Air fryer yan. Oh, grabe. Magandang air fryer yan.
Mr. Tommy Andreas will be here to send you your prize.
Solid.
will proceed with our grand raffle draw.
Oy! Grand raffle na ka.
Kat Manangkin.
Nanalo! Nanalo na naman, no? Asan na? Wala pa.
Please come up on stage for a quick photo.
Lagyan mo tinapay! Lagyan mo tinapay! Lagyan mo lahat yan! Lagyan mo!
Pro 43 in 2026.
Oy!
Receiving TBA Pro 43 is Mika de los Reyes, everybody.
Maraming galit sa'yo! Maraming galit sa'yo! Scooter pala, wala ng
Kung hindi
TV.
ka mapag-book ng angkas, ito yung
Oh my gulay!
Thank you dun sa big tawa.
Kailangan natin yan, sana manalo tayo.
Our winner of a Xiaomi Electric Scooter 5 Plus GL is Ryan San Juan!
Hey! Swerte! Thank you, Xiaomi, for my new oven toaster.